Keen.
Welcome to Green and Keen. Ready to challenge your brain? Get ready to learn and have fun. We'll have 3 stages, each with 10 challenging questions and some exciting bonus rounds to top it off. Here we go. Stage 1, addition and subtraction. Question number 1, 5 plus 5 equals... The answer is 10. Question number 2. 9 plus 4 equals... The answer is 13. Question number 3. 11 plus 6 equals... The answer is 17. Question number 4. 13 minus 3 equals... The answer is 10. Question number 5. 17 minus 5 equals... The answer is 12. Question number 6. 12 minus 8 equals... The answer is 4. Question number 7. 14 plus 7 equals... The answer is 21. Question number 8. 16 plus 4 equals... The answer is 20. Question number 9. 21 minus 3 equals... The answer is 18. Question number 10. 18 minus 8 equals... The answer is 10. Get ready for bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 6 plus 6 plus 4 equals... The answer is 16. Bonus question number 2. 8 plus 8 minus 3 equals... The answer is 13. Bonus question number 3. 9 plus 8 plus 3 equals... The answer is 20. Wow, that was awesome! You've done an amazing job on stage 1. Now get ready for a more challenging questions on stage 2. Here we go! Stage 2, multiplication and division. Question number 1, 6 times 3 equals... The answer is 18. Question number 2. 4 times 3 equals... The answer is 12. Question number 3. 8 times 2 equals... The answer is 16. Question number 4. 12 divided by 2 equals... The answer is 6. Question number 5. 18 divided by 2 equals. The answer is 9. Question number 6. 24 divided by 4 equals. The answer is 6. Question number 7. 8 times 3 equals. The answer is 24. Question number 8. 7 times 5 equals. The answer is 35. Question number 9. 50 divided by 5 equals. The answer is 10. Question number 10. 26 divided by 2 equals. The answer is 13. Get ready for bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 4 times 2 times 2 equals. The answer is 16. Bonus question number 2. 45 divided by 9 equals. The answer is 5. Bonus question number 3. 10 times 3 times 2 equals. The answer is 60. Fantastic! I know you are a math whiz. Now let's keep the momentum going. Brace yourself for the next stage. Stage 3, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Question number 1, 12 plus 6 equals. The answer is 18. Question number 2, 12 minus 5 equals. The answer is 7. Question number 3. 5 times 3 equals. The answer is 15. Question number 4. 30 divided by 3 equals. The answer is 10. Question number 5. 17 plus 4 equals. The answer is 21. Question number 6. 19 minus 7 equals. The answer is 12. Question number 7. 12 times 2 equals. The answer is 24. Question number 8. 26 divided by 2 equals. The answer is 13. Question number 9. 21 plus 6 equals. The answer is 27. Question number 10. 25 minus 4 equals. answer is 21. Here comes the bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 4 times 5 plus 5 equals? The answer is 25. Bonus question number 2. 40 minus 10 minus 5 equals? The answer is 25. Bonus question number 3. 5 times 3 plus 4 equals? The answer is 19. Congratulations! You've conquered today's challenge. You should be very proud of yourself. Subscribe for a daily math challenge. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your classmates, siblings, parents, everyone to see who has the sharpest mind. I will see you on the next episode.